ओला डॉक यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना मत भूलें।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rubab Iqbal and I'm an associate clinical psychologist. I've done my MSc in clinical psychology from Royal Holloway University of London and I'm a therapist at MRM. So the topic today for our video is difference between sadness and depression.
पाकिस्तान के टॉप डॉक्टर्स के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, वो भी पेशेंट फीडबैक देखते हुए। लाखों लोगों की तरह पाकिस्तान के सबसे बड़े डॉक्टर नेटवर्क का फायदा उठाएं और आज ही ओला डॉक ऐप डाउनलोड करें। ओला डॉक, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।
अमूमन ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमनली यूज़ की जाती है और उसको मिस इंटरप्रेट किया जाता है क्योंकि लोगों को डिफरेंस बिटवीन सैडनेस एंड डिप्रेशन इतना ज़्यादा क्लियर नहीं होता। तो यूजुअली व्हेन पीपल आर फीलिंग सैड और डाउन और दे आर फीलिंग ब्लू, दे आर फीलिंग लो, सो दे यूजुअली यूज़ द टर्म फीलिंग डिप्रेस्ड, which is not the right way to use it because depression itself is a proper mental illness that people are not that aware of. So when we come to definitions of sadness, sadness itself is a human emotion. It's a natural reaction to any situation that's happening in our lives, like loss of a loved one or anything. तो उससे sadness trigger होती है. Sadness itself की भी अपने degrees होते हैं. It can be high, it can be low, but the only distinguishing factor in itself is कि वो temporary है. It fades with time. However, with depression, it's a long-term mental illness in itself. और उसमें जो sadness है वो long term होती है और overall वो आपकी पूरी life के aspects पे, उसकी functioning पे impact कर रही होती है. So when we come to symptoms of sadness, sadness includes feeling sad all the time, but there are some times जब आप उससे snap out कर सकते हो, आप चीज़ें भूल सकते हो and you can start enjoying normal things in life. However, in depression जो वो feeling of emptiness होती है वो आपकी पूरी लाइफ पे, आपके एस्पेक्ट्स पे, आपकी फंक्शनिंग पे इम्पैक्ट कर रही होती है. सो यू आर अनएबल टू फंक्शन प्रॉपरली एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न डिप्रेशन इज़ अ मेंटल इलनेस एंड नॉट अ ह्यूमन इमोशन. So according to DSM-5 guidelines given by APA, which is the American Psychiatric Association, there are total 9 symptoms for depression, जिसमें से 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा for a period of 2 weeks continue. तो they are given the diagnosis for clinical depression, major depression or major depressive disorder. So in those 9 symptoms, it includes the constant feeling of sadness and emptiness, irritability, fatigue, feelings of worthlessness, continuously thinking about death or suicidal thoughts or actions, feeling of guilt, loss of interest in anything that you do, and difficulty in the ability to concentrate. So इसमें से 5 symptoms भी आपको हैं और वो 2 weeks के पीरियड से ज़्यादा कंटिन्यू हो रहे हैं तो फिर वो डिप्रेशन के अंदर उसके डायग्नोसिस में आते हैं. हाउएवर सैडनेस में भी ये चीज़ें हो सकती हैं बट उसकी पीरियड जो है वो 2 weeks से ज़्यादा नहीं जाता. एंड सेकेंडली जो सुसाइडलिटी है और सुसाइडल थॉट्स और एक्शंस है वो यूजुअली डिप्रेशन से लिंक्ड होता है एंड नॉट विद सैडनेस. So depression can occur in men and women equally across all age groups and all socio-economic groups, but there are certain factors जो depression को ज़्यादा prone कर देते हैं, जैसे unresolved childhood trauma, there is a family history of mental illnesses, history of substance abuse. उसके अलावा अगर आपका social support system इतना अच्छा नहीं है या you're unable to cope up with the life situation that happened at that time, for example loss of a loved one. So that can make you more prone towards depression. But जब ये sadness आपकी 2 weeks तक रहे और आपको unable कर दे कि आप normally अपनी life में function कर सको properly, then it is advisable that you go out and seek professional help. However, there are certain lifestyle changes जो आप अपने life में, अपने routine में incorporate कर सकते हो sadness को overcome करने के लिए. सबसे पहले the most important thing is that you should have a routine where there's good adequate amount of sleep and exercise. और उसके अलावा you're incorporating like meditation and calming exercises in your routine as well, क्योंकि वो routine होने से एक set pattern को follow करने से आपकी ज़िंदगी में uncertainty के chances कम हो जाते हैं. You're distracted in that manner, you have something to look forward to. उसके अलावा try to incorporate activities जो आप generally enjoy करते हो. Try to increase physical exercise because physical exercise helps you increase those happy hormones inside of you और वो आपके overall mood को boost करते हैं. इसके अलावा don't try to isolate yourself, rather keep your social connection strong because when you're surrounded by your loved ones and the people around you, that helps you be happy in return. However, یہ جو لائف اسٹائل چینجز ہیں دیٹ کین ہیلپ یو اوور کم سیڈنس ان اٹ سیلف, بٹ ان ڈپریشن دیز لائف اسٹائل چینجز آر ناٹ انف. اس کے ساتھ ساتھ آپ کو ٹاک تھراپی بھی ضروری ہوتی ہے فار یو ٹو برنگ اباؤٹ اے چینج ان یور سیلف اینڈ ٹو کم آؤٹ آف ڈپریشن. However, towards the end of the video, I would just like you guys to have a takeaway message, and I will also explain some of the myths that are present related to depression. Firstly, sadness جو ہے نا وہ صرف ایک symptom ہے depression کا, ایک element ہے اور ایک human emotion ہے, but that's about it. Because it's a natural human reaction and it's a healthy part of emotional processing. It's not something that makes you abnormal or something that's out of your normal part, because it's something that everyone goes through in their life, sadness. Secondly, sadness is completely subjective, because کسی نہ کسی point in life پہ انسان جو ہے وہ sadness experience کرتا ہے. However, depression on the other hand is objective, because وہ professionally diagnosed ہوتی ہے and it has a proper criteria جس کے basis پہ ہم diagnosis دیتے ہیں for depression. موونگ آن, سیڈنس جو ہے وہ ٹیمپریرلی آپ کی موڈ پہ, آپ کی فیلنگس, آپ کے ایموشنس کو امپیکٹ کر رہی ہوتی ہے. ہاؤیور ڈپریشن ہیز لانگ ٹرم کانسیکوینسز, اٹ کین کمپلیٹلی چینج یور لائف. Along with that, you can't just snap out of depression. It's something that's long term and it impacts all aspects of your functioning. Moreover, depression is not a choice or not a make-believe situation in which you're faking your emotions. It's something that you deliberately do not choose it for yourself, and it's very hard to come out of until you get proper professional help for it. In the last, I would just like to give out some of the symptoms that you must be looking out for among people around you and your loved ones, because اگر یہ symptoms نظر آتے ہیں for depression, so you know it's a warning sign for you to see it in your surroundings and also help them connect to professional help. And the symptoms that are included in that are when you see people out of nowhere start moving, thinking or speaking very slowly, they stop taking care of their personal hygiene, they start gaining or losing weight, and lastly when they appear very irritable, they cry easily, or they appear numb. So these are the symptoms that you must be looking out for, and if you see that in your surroundings, you can go up and help them connect with professional help. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching.